How to restore old YouTube layout. If any day you are a YouTube user and you would like to restore your old YouTube layout because you find the old YouTube layout more convenient and beautiful and more easy to use, but you do not know how to just restore the old YouTube layout, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, and then in the search icon, you can search YouTube Red Docs. Now, after you search YouTube Red Docs like this, now you can see the interface like this. Now, in the first icon, you have to tap on YouTube Red Docs because this is the way on how you can replicate the old YouTube layout and features within the modern layout. Now, one thing you have to remember is you can only get the old YouTube layout on your desktop version and not on your mobile version. Therefore, whenever you tap on the option like this on Add to Desktop, it will be added to your desktop automatically and not on your mobile device. Therefore, it's a very nice thing that you can get the YouTube Red Docs in the old YouTube layout on your desktop version, but you cannot find it on your very mobile version like this. So this way you can get your old YouTube layout. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.